How you doing? I'm Austin Andrella from Austin Martin Originals in Akron, Ohio. This year I brought up a Evo Hardtail that I built. It took me about 3 months to put together. Originally I built this bike in 2003. It was my first build ever. So a lot of the stuff was store-bought, catalog-bought, because I didn't have the skills or the tools to do what I can do now. So I completely stripped it apart and just kept the motor in the frame, and then made the gas tank out of 16 gauge steel. Bead rolled the sides before I welded the bottom on. Made the fender struts, suicide shift, motor mounts. They're all out of half-inch square stock that is called a Rubik's twist. It's like a blacksmithing deal, but it's a lot of hash cuts, longitudinal cuts, and half twist, quarter twist back and forth to get the ribbed effect. Paper Street Customs acrylic grips, bare bones leather seat. I made the aluminum seat pan. Stainless steel exhaust, slip fit from 1 3/4 to 1 7/8 to 2 inch, and then purged and TIG welded. Added a 5-speed Baker transmission with a kicker. Right side foot clutch. I designed all the mid controls and linkage, made the pegs front and back. So this is my daily rider. I have Kurt's doing a seat for me for the rear, which you can see the rear pegs, but this will be what I take my daughters and wife on rides. So just want to say thanks to J&P Cycles and Progressive Insurance, the Ultimate Bike Builder Custom Bike Show, and it's going to be a good weekend.